This is like the biggest one.
The one with the whale shark.
Yeah.
We ready? Let's do it.
Oh my God, look. Mom, look.
Look. Wow. Oh, Lila, look, manta ray. Or stingray. Oh my gosh, Lila. Lila. It's a whale shark.
Oh my God.
Holy cow.
You weren't literally kidding. That is ginormous.
Here we go.
This is literally insane.
Daddy, look. Lila, look. Look at that giant manta ray. You see him? It's a manta ray. Wow. That's bad.
It's a baby stingray.
Look, Daddy. Look. Oh my gosh.
It's a whale shark.
You see that? What is that?
A whale shark.
A whale shark. And oh, that shark is coming. The shark is coming.
Oh my God.
Yes. Lila. Come on. Holy cow. Lila, oh my goodness.
Shut up.
I need to. Oh my gosh. Lila. I don't want to get in anybody's way.
This is insane.
Right there, baby, look.
Oh my God. That is not real.
Look at this manta ray. Whoa. Look at this school of fish. Look at all these fish. Look at this guy. Whoa, he's got spots too.
Dude, he looks so sick.
Okay, here comes a whale shark. Maybe he'll open his mouth again.
Is his mouth open?
No, not yet. That's so cool.
I feel like I'm like watching TV. Like this isn't real.
Lila, look at that. Oh my, do you see those teeth?
What is that?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look like he's coming so close. Lila, stand up.
I'm gonna touch.
Stand up. Say hi.
I'm gonna touch.
No, I don't think he gets really close to the. Look, he's got barnacles on his tail.
Oh, look at this. What is this?
We need this much water.
What is that?
I do not know what that is.
World here at the aquarium. We have whale sharks. You can see Yushan here in the bottom and Alice towards the top. These two are our largest two. Alice is about 26.7 feet long and Yushan is about 26.6 feet long.
Yushan, that's Yushan.
Basically a neck and
I think that's a
then right behind them is going to be
so, too.
right over here on this right
There's
side.
another one.
It's literally a stingray fish. Like, what is that?
What is going on with
We're
this?
expecting all of our
Oh, another one.
quite a bit bigger.
What in the stingray shark is that?
This window is about 27 feet tall, so if they were to stand, if Yushan or Alice were to
Yushan.
stand from their tail to their head, they'd only have a couple inches left over. But the largest whale shark that was ever reported was 6.
Stingray's cruising. He's cruising, huh?
It's like
Oh, here comes a spotted stingray.
He's talking.
He was eating something, huh?
gosh, ew.
Look.
Oh, that's it.
Lila, where's the turtle?
I don't know, his name's Tank.
What are the fishing names called?
I don't know, they look like tunas. I don't know if they are tunas though. I gotta,
Mom,
right? What?
At the manta ray.
Okay.
Look at that one. It's wrinkled and white and orange.
Oh, there's a shark. There's 2 sharks.
I am not interested.
You're not interested in the shark?
I'm interested.
Did you just say I'm not interested?
Yeah.
I am excited.
Oh, look at this little black-tipped little reef shark. Oh!
That one.
Whoa.
No, remember they use echolocation.
No, that was like Destiny. Destiny couldn't see. She kept running into stuff.
Yeah, because her echolocation couldn't work.
Look at that. What is that?
Mom, there's a shark at your head.
All right. That one's all bent up. Oh, he just dookie.
That one, too.
That's so weird. Fish are friends, not food.
Look at the.
Okay, can we watch Finding Dory later? Because I'm so inspired right now. I know. Like, we have to go clean a beach this weekend or something.
Like, this does not feel like real life right now.
It's so amazing. All right, well, let's leave so that other people can look.
So cool.
I think so.
That was so dope.